How to change language in Excel. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily change language on the Excel app. So go ahead and search for Excel and open it up. And once you open up your Excel, just go ahead and click on the options at the bottom left. Once you click on it, this menu will pop up on your screen. Then at the left side, you have different options like formulas, data, proofing, save, and then you have language. Click on language. And then if you want to add a language, click on add. And then from here, you can select any language that you want. So let's say if I want to add Hindi, I'm just going to click on it and click on install. Now the Office will prepare the installation and the language will be downloaded. Make sure you are connected to your internet connection. And once the language has been downloaded, you can easily change it to that. And then once that is done, you can just select the language and then click on set as preferred. It will show up right here below, and then click on set as preferred, and you should be good to go. That's how you basically change language on Excel. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll see you on the next one.